Now we'll start on distal of tooth number 3, lingual. And we'll start with our instrument towards the mandible, which is be considered low, and then it'll be high relative to the clinician. And then we'll walk, walk, bring the instrument towards us to get into the contact and angle into the coal. And we have about a 4. And we'll walk out. And we have a really deep pocket here, which looks like about a 6. No, actually, that's about a 4, 5. And then we'll start bringing our instrument handle down and bring the handle towards us to get into the contact, and then angle slightly into the coal. And we have a 4. And we'll do the same thing for tooth number 4. Start with the handle high or towards the mandible to adapt to the tooth. And walk, angle into the coal. And we have about a 5. And we'll walk out. And we have about a 3 on the lingual. Bring our handle low. And angling into the coal. And that's about a 3. Okay, then we'll do the same thing for tooth number 14. Start handle high at the distal local line angle. Walk. Bring our handle out to get into contact. Angle into the coal. Come out. Walking strokes. Bring the handle down. I have about a 4 on the buckle. And bring the handle towards us to get into contact and angle into the coal. And that's about a 4 as well. Now bring the handle back up to get into the distal buccal line angle. Tooth number 13. Walk. So get the contact, angle into the coal. That looks like a 5. And we'll go to the buckle. Oh, there's a piece of calculus there. We have a 4 on the buckle. Handle down as we approach the mesial. And bring the handle out to get into contact and angling into the coal, and that's a 4. Then we'll probe number 9. And here we'll start the handle high, right in the sulcus in the coal. And we have a number 4. And we'll start, don't want to glide, we want to start walking our instrument. And then bring our handle down as we approach the midline. And then bring the handle towards us as we get into contact. And I forgot to take the measurement here, so let's just do that again. And we have a 3. And then on the mesial we have a 4. Same thing for tooth number 8. Into the coal, we have a 4. Again, walking, 1 millimeter walking strokes. Bring the handle down. And the instrument handle towards us as we get into the contact. And angle slightly into the coal. Now we have a 4. This one looks like it could be a 6. Okay. And then we'll do the linguals. Number 9. Start in the call here. We have 4. We'll start to handle high to adapt to the surface of the tooth. Again, walking. I'm angling out to adapt to that cingulum. So we have a 3 on the lingual, coming low, and bring our instrument away from us to get into contact. And looks like we have a 4 on the mesial. And instrument handle up high again to get into the mesial contact of tooth number 8. 4, then we'll walk out, making sure to angle out to adapt to the cingulum. We have a 3, bring our handle down as we approach the mesial, and the handle away from us to get into the contact. And as we hit the contact, we angle in the colon. That looks like about a 4.